I'm going to talk to you about the special inequalities, special compound inequalities. And you might look at these and think, well, these look just like all the rest of them. And that's true. But let's look a little bit closer. Let's look at that first one. Y is greater than 1 or y is greater than or equal to 5. And as I look at that, I'm going to do the y is greater than 1. So there we go like this. And then the y is greater than or equal to 5 is here. Remember, an OR is everything. It's a combination of everything. And as you look there, the combination of everything, one kind of swallows up the other. And this can be very much simplified to y is greater than 1. It's the same thing as y is greater than 1. All right, let's look at the next one. X is less than 4 and x is greater than 9. And remember, the and is everything that they have in common. And so I'm going to do x is less than 4 and x is greater than 9. And wait a minute, what do they have in common? Nothing. So this is a no solution. Agile mind will call it an empty set. Next one. 5 is greater than n and n is greater than 9. Because it's built like this, it must be an and. I have to treat it like an and, which means I have to treat it where I want to know what they have in common. And so most people would have the temptation to just do these and shade in between, but those signs are not the way I normally see them for an and. So let's go from the n to the numbers. From the n to the 9, it says n is greater than 9. Oh, that's this direction. And then if you go from n to 5, it says n is less than 5. Uh-oh, it's this direction. This is the exact same thing as the one that we had right above. No solution, or like I said, Agile mind will call it the empty set. So either of those will work. Next one. Y is greater than 3 or y is less than 10. Or means I can graph both of them on the same graph and combine them. So I'm going to do a closed circle here, and then y is greater. So there we go. And then y is less than 10. We go this way, and is there going to be any number on the number line that's not shaded by one or the other? Since it's an or, we have to combine it. And look, every single number is shaded by one or the other one. So this one is called all real numbers. Okay. Uh-oh. I'm going to run out of room here. All right. Last but not least is this one. It's another and. Y is greater than or equal to 4. And y is less than or equal to 4. So that would be a solid dot. Greater than goes this way. Less than goes this way. And you know what? I'm going to even go ahead and do this. And do this for the other one. What do they have in common? What do those two have in common? Because that's what we have to do for an and. And the only thing they have in common is y equals 4. All right. Now you get to go try some specials.